Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which at the time of this recording we have continued to hold above a very significant high at around the $0.0808 mark. We have also continued to hold above the 20-day MA and also continued to obey the Elliot structures. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Hbar chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw this massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.58 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.0356 mark in what I'm terming as the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, where I have target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.9768 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upside to do. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, you can see that after making our lower low down there at around the $0.0356 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow, having that as the first wave. Then we have seen that wave 2, then a wave 3, making its peak at around the $0.0808 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, we started this corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, I was able to come up with a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is a target area that we fully maximized. And after fully maximizing our target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4, we started this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $0.0992 mark in a move that also completed the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside, and that is after completing this 5-wave structure to the upside. And I can also show you that this wave 5 to the upside has done the minimum that we expect a wave 5 to the upside to do by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3, and that gave me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0888 mark, and that is the minimum that I expected that wave 5 to the upside to do, which is a target area that we fully maximized. Also continued breaking through other key areas on the Fibonacci's and went back to the fib level 3.618, and that is at around the $0.0984 mark, meaning we have fully maximized our target areas in the formation of that wave 5 and also completed the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1. And whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, that gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which lies between the $0.0675 mark and the $0.06 mark. And it is within this yellow target area that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave, where I'm also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure play out, having the wave C fully maximizing our target areas to the lower side in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2. And for that move to also play out, I'm expecting a break below the 20-day MA and also a break above our key area, a significant high at around the $0.08 mark. And once that happens, then we can continue pushing even lower to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. But in case we continue holding above the 20-day MA, continue gearing up, and also see a break above the wave 5 high, that is the high for that larger Elliot wave count 1 at around the $0.0992 mark, then there are chances of making one more new high over here in what we could term as the high for that larger Elliot wave count 1 before we can expect a corrective structure in the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 2. And in case such a scenario plays out, then we can sketch out new target areas to the lower side in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count too. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 52 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support lower prices in the formation of these higher Elliott wave count too. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, but we are seeing a sharp decrease in the buying momentum here on the MACD, meaning soon we might be able to print that bearish cross to fully support lower prices in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count too. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.